Groovy man, groovy. Remember when hippie meant big in the hips, and trip involved travel in cars, planes and ships? When pot was a vessel for cooking things in, and hooked was what grandmother's rug might have been? When fix was a verb that meant mend or repair, and be in meant merely existing somewhere? When neat meant well organised, tidy and clean, and grass was a ground cover, normally green? When lights and not people were switched on and off, and the pill might have been what you took for a cough, and camp meant to quarter outdoors in a tent, and pop was where the weasel went? When groovy meant furrowed with channels and hollows, and birds were winged creatures like robins and swallows? When fuzz was a substance, real, fluffy, like lint, and bread came from bakeries, not from the mint? When square meant a 90-degree angled form, and cool was a temperature, not quite warm? When roll meant a bun and rock was a stone, and hang up was something you did with your phone? When chicken meant poultry and bag meant a sack, with junk, trashy cast-offs and old bric-a-brac? When jam was preserves that you spread on your bread, and crazy meant balmy, not right in the head? When cat was a feline, a kitten grown up, and tea was a liquid you drank from a cup? When swinger was someone who swung in a swing, and pad was a soft sort of cushiony thing? When way out meant distant and far, far away, and a man couldn't sue you for calling him gay? When tough described meat too unyielding to chew, and making a scene was a rude thing to do? Words once so sensible, sober and serious are making the freak scene like psycholilvius. It's groovy man, groovy, but English it's not. Methinks that our language is going to pot. For the easy-to-print poem and an explanation, email the editor at EnglishFast.co.uk. Include your name and write Groovy in the subject line. Subscribe to the EnglishFast YouTube channel and follow on Twitter at EnglishFast3. Thanks for listening.